extra time.
Jones Telegraph makes your life.
They already have a few household names across the world, especially South Asia. But most of their successes, all of their successes have come in the shortest formats of the sport or the shorter formats of the sport. Now it's an entirely different challenge, Test cricket. And in fact, some voices have already, from the Afghanistan camp, they have said that their spinners are superior now than India's. Now, how tough is this going to be for Rashid to get wickets in Test cricket?
Look, you have to understand that they probably I don't know what what that person has said in terms of they have better spinners, but you got to understand that we have a lot of experience here. We have a lot of not only Test match cricket but a lot of domestic cricket, a lot of 4-day matches. Clearly, all the spinners put together wouldn't have played as many matches as Kuldeep Yadav would have ever played in 4-day cricket. So experience at the end of the day, experience. Has a lot of value, as you saw with CSK and IPL as well. Experience pays, and you got to. I'm sure. I'm very sure in time there'll be even better bowlers than they start off. In the next Test match. But the point is, the kind of improvement they've shown in white ball cricket has been phenomenal, and there is no reason why they can't do it in Test cricket as well. But I would definitely, I would say our spinners have a lot more experience, and experience is not something that can be easily bought, and I'm sure their players also will vouch for that. So it's the. I mean, I wouldn't give. I wouldn't. I understand the statement that he's made, but I wouldn't, harp too much on that. I guess, the number of matches that as a spinning unit these guys have played is far more.
Afghanistan played cricket. What do you make of the journey, the progress that they've made in the last decade?
Oh, it's been beautiful, isn't it? That's one of the sort of highlights for ICC as well, to have a Test nation in Afghanistan. I think their journey has been one of the most, you can say, a swan song for international cricket, for them to have come along and had a team. Not many people knew Afghanistan played cricket, but for them to come into the World Cup and do so well, and then get into the qualifiers over a period of time, and do well there, compete with other teams, and in fact go on to qualify for the upcoming World Cup. I give them a lot of credit. Everybody knows what a tough place, as a country, the things, the turmoil that they are going through. But in spite of that, they're able to inspire people, I hope, with their performances, and they're able to, make plays even in a big tournament like IPL, where they have some key players from Afghanistan who are producing some big performances for them. So credit to them. I think I'm really happy a country like that is doing so well in cricket. It's just good to see for the sport as well. Many countries take that route and challenge themselves and do as well as they can. It'll be a fabulous story in history for a country, for any country for that matter. And I'm today when you look at them, there are some household names already over the few years that they've played. It's just going to get better. I genuinely hope that they do have the opportunity to play a lot of Test cricket, and as they have improved in T20, and today they are a team that not only competes but has the ability to win a tournament. So that's great. I think you got to give them credit for that. With all the little infrastructure they've got, they're trying to beat all odds and do well in international cricket, and I'm really happy for them, and I'm happy for the country as well to have got the Test status. Credit to ICC, and it's going to be an honor playing against them for the first time.
In international cricket, what happens is when somebody is left out from a format for a fair amount of time, he gets a chance to sit and assess what has gone wrong in the previous game. Now, after 8 years, when you don the whites, how do you assess that thing?
I guess I wasn't good enough. I didn't perform well enough before, and I wasn't consistent enough. That was a highly competitive environment, and there was a person called MS Dhoni, breathing down my neck, who was causing a lot of stir in world cricket at that point of time. And he's gone on to probably become one of the greatest captains India has ever produced. So it's not like I lost out my place to some a normal cricketer. He's been a special cricketer over a period of time, and I respect him for that. And just the fact that I couldn't at that stage produce enough performances for me to hold on to my side, I think I need to be honest with myself, and I wasn't probably as good then. But I have another opportunity here, and I guess I'll try and do my best.
What should you be doing to keep Saha out for a long time?
Oh, that's what should I do? Look, I think if you go into that, if you go deep into that question and figure out what can I do to, keep another person out of the team, then you're taking energy away from the fact that, you know, you're competing with somebody, and what that puts is a little bit of extra pressure than what is already there. What I am trying to looking to do is, you know, as cliched as it does sound that I'm going to say, you know, trying to be the best cricketer that I can be. So not only on the field, but the things that I do off the field. So I'm trying to be consistent there, wherein even if I don't get an opportunity, even if I don't end up, you know, playing the sport at the highest level a little bit, but I want to be content with the fact that I've given it everything I've had, not only on the field, off the field. So I know. So they keep saying you do your processes and things will follow. So I guess I'm trying to do the processes which I feel is right. And because I'm in that journey, I've not thought about that question that you just asked now. If I go into your question and try think about it from that aspect, then it becomes very subjective. I need to score this, I need to score here, I need to score there. So I don't want to keep it that way. I want to keep it in a way where I can control, which is, you know, try and prepare as well as I can. You know, given an opportunity, try and do the best that I can. So I'm trying to keep my whole process that way.
Hit the subscribe option and the bell icon to get all the exclusive sports videos on Extra Time.